In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Safety and Emergency. Then select Emergency Contacts. Click on Continue As or Use without an account, and finally tap on Add Contact. Now tap on the one you wanna set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to edit your list, you can tap on Reorder at the top right corner, hold one of your contacts you wanna move, and after establishing a perfect order, hit Save at the top right corner as well. To delete any number from the list, use this icon next to it and confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping Remove. Last but not least, just to be sure, click on Change Setting here and check if this option called Show When Locked is enabled. Without it, your contacts won't be visible on locked screen. So finally, when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on, and then swipe. Just a second, I need to set up screen lock. Now I can show you. I will swipe up and click on Emergency at the bottom right left corner. Then Personal Emergency Information. And as you can see, my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!